Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, I'm Saran, the team leader. With me are Rahul and Dilsha. For our sprint one, our backlog focused on building the foundation of our website. The key tasks were home design, navigation, student portal, and cybersecurity audit. That is, home design was done by Mr. Rahul, and the navigation system and student portal was designed by Dilsha, and the cybersecurity audit is done by me. And the other general tasks like news section and staff portal and program info pages are to be done in the second sprint backlog. And next is the overview of the group activities explained by Rahul.
There, this is Rahul Srinivasan. I worked on UI design. My main task was the homepage redesign. I focused on layout, visual styling, and making sure the homepage is clean and responsive across devices.
Hi, I'm Dilsha and I handled the front end development. So my tasks were mainly navigation system and student portal. So I implemented the links, created tables for program info, and ensured everything worked across the devices properly. So this
Myself,
is the
Saran, I coordinated the team and managed the cybersecurity audit. I ensured the task dependencies which were tracked and everyone stayed on schedule.
So the next thing I'm gonna tell is about the project logistics, mainly about the tools and resources we use. So we use MS Teams for the communication, Trello for the task planning, and GitHub for version control. So these tools helped us collaborate efficiently, and track our progress effectively.
Now I'm gonna explain about the main user stories, which is the base for our tasks, and the main part, which helps us to predefine the tasks in the sprint one. Here, the user stories for the home page redesigners. As a visitor, I want a visually appealing home page that reflects Dickens brand, and for navigation system, it is like to improve the navigation to for find information easily. And for something like a student portal, it is like I want to access academic records and material. And for the cybersecurity audit, it was like something as a developer, I want to ensure the site meets basics cybersecurity standards. Others in general, the other tasks like news section and staff portal were managed collaboratively, and it is to be done in the sprint to
Yeah,
backlog.
this is Rahul. Yeah, talking about the planning on the sprint on Trello. My car that is homepage redesign moved from sprint 1 to 3 to in progress, and it is showed as done as completed UI design and styling.
So, in my case, my cards were mainly navigation system and student portal. So, my cards also followed a similar workflow. I implemented the functional links and added tables. So, mainly I styled the section and committed the code and pushed it to GitHub and merged every branches successfully.
Myself, as a team leader, I monitored all the tasks, including the cybersecurity audit, and made sure whether the team aligned in a proper manner. And I involved in the conflicts, and we made communication to pretty make sure.
So, while talking about the issues we faced minor merge conflicts in GitHub and small delays due to the task dependencies. What worked well was the regular communication and daily updates in Trello. So, according to this, our advice is like assign clear task ownership, check the progress daily, and resolve conflicts immediately.
Yeah, nextly about the user privacy, accessibility, and the security. We made privacy a priority by avoiding sensitive data. Accessibility was ensured by readable fonts, proper contrast, and responsive design. Security was managed through careful GitHub workflow practices. Rahul focused on UI accessibility, where Will saw on the front-end functionality and I coordinated secure
Concluding
processes.
this and following the next step, the sprint one is successfully laid the foundation for our project. The Rahul myself, I completed the UI design. Dilsha completed the front end functionality, and Saran coordinated security and workflow. So this is our sprint planning that we done. And thank you for listening.